What up, YouTube family? It's your boy Flex and Rue. If y'all new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. You already know what time it is. We finna get down on this haircut, yo. We're about to do a beard lineup and with a high ball taper. This is the before shot of my client's head. You can see the before. We're finna make this happen, yo. High ball taper with the beard. So we're gonna keep his beard wide. Right now, I'm starting off with my number 3 guard, I believe, and just knocking that bulk down so I can see a better vision on doing this high ball taper. Alright, so now I got my Wall 5-star senior cordless and I'm making that first guideline to this high ball taper. And this is the lever closed, no guards. So we're not doing tapers or any type of fade. Your first guideline is always going to be important because that's what starts the fade and basically shows how the fade is going to be. Alright y'all, now I got my number 1 guard and I'm going up about a ½ an inch and just going to take out that second guideline that I just put in with the 1 guard. So, you know, this is easy money. Anybody could do it. So practice these tactics and just learn from it. You know, just keep watching this video over and over until you learn it. Now I got the number 2 guard on and just going up higher to knock that bulk down. You know, making it more visible, easier to see, easier to fade, you know, because your haircut is what you vision and how you do it. So that's what we're doing right now. Taking my 1.5 guard and I'm going right below the number 2. You know, so I'm kind of fading down, meeting in the middle, from the bottom to the middle and from the top to the bottom, if that makes sense. So I'm just meeting my fade into the middle. Now I got my number 1 guard on and I'm starting from the bottom, working my way up, meeting in the middle, and you can see the fade starting to come in little by little. And just follow these tactics, y'all. Play with the lever back and forth, open and close. Now I got my 2 guard on, open. And I'm just going up higher to knock down that bulk. Keep it going. I got my 0 guard on now and just going below that 1 guard and just tightening up the fade, open and close with the lever back and forth. That's very important, y'all, to open and close because it makes the fade come out a lot more smoother. So learn that tactic, open and close the lever. Y'all, now I got no guard on. I'm just tightening up the fade, open and close, playing with the lever. Using my T outliners, I'm just making it more bald, that more crispy look. You know, remember it's a high ball taper, y'all. Now I'm using my shavers. These are electric shavers. I got them off Amazon. Just get it down to the skin. You know, basically like a razor fade, but you know, it's more efficient and faster. You can see how far this fade has came along. I'm just touching it up now with the T outliners. Then I'm gonna go back in, open and close with my lever with my Wall 5-star senior cordless, and we're gonna get ready for the lineup, y'all. Alright, y'all, now ready for the back line. I'm using my Andes Slimline Pro Ally. These clippers are 0 gapped. I'm just letting the clipper work for me, just being gentle, especially around the neck area, holding down the air, and you can see the process of this, how much they're hitting. Look at that taper, y'all. That's going crazy. This is guaranteed money in your pockets, yo. So follow these tactics. Keep watching this video over and over until you learn it. Try it out and apply it, yo. Just apply these tactics to your haircuts. You can see that definition, yo. It's crazy. I'm juiced about it. That's a walking advertisement. You ever do a haircut and it comes out so dope, you're just so proud of yourself? This is that moment right here, y'all. And I'm just bringing it to y'all. So this is free game. Take advantage of this. Alright, y'all, now we're moving towards the front lineup. And same thing, using my Slimline Pro Allies by Andes. And you can see my 2 index fingers I'm using as a kickstand on his forehead, just so my hand can be more steady. You know, y'all really try that out. You know, that's a good tactic to use. And I'm just going with the flow. You know, I'm not going fast. I'm just seeing his lineup. And just make sure, you know, you don't push him back. Keeping it as a natural line. You can see the difference, how fresh it is. Alright, y'all, I'm using my comb. Basically, I'm just preparing the beard lineup. You know, so my client wants to fade it. I'm gonna fade the tempo of his beard, and got my number 3 guard on, and I'm just cutting, and I'm using my comb to knock off the hair that I just cut. You know, that's always a good tactic too, to get that hair out the way. So I'm gonna go from a 3 to a 2 to a 1.5 to a 1 guard to a 0. So y'all follow these steps, yo. You can see me knocking down that bulk. It's gonna slowly start to fade into that taper, and that's what we want. You know, we want to make it all look all natural and look dope, yo. Now I got my number 1 guard on and just doing the same thing, yo. It ain't nothing changing, just fading it, open and close the lever, and you know, you're gonna get that desired look that you want. Now I got my 0 guard on and doing the same thing, you know, making it closer and closer to make it fade into that taper. Alright, now I got no guard on, just open and close with the lever, and getting that line out. Alright, I'm preparing the beard. It's always important to prepare everything, yo. Your lineups, your haircuts. So that's what I'm doing with my comb, just preparing it so it could be a lot easier when I line it up. I'm just being very gentle, letting the clippers work for me. I'm using the corner of my blade when I hit that curve right there. You know, so that's why the corner of the blade is there for that T-blade, is to get those corners and those curves. Alright, little clip over comb method, you know, just to knock that bulk down, shape it up, and everything can go into natural. Alright, y'all, now we're doing the back of the beard lineup. You know, it ain't nothing different. You just line it up, you see it, you vision it. You can see how different that is on just a little bit of cutting that hair. You can see how fresh it's coming out. Alright, let's take a moment and just look how dope that is. Look how crispy that is. You know, that's even without the razor. But you can see the before and the after on how much, you know, a haircut can make a difference, especially when you're doing it with skills, yo. So I'm just giving y'all these skills and just passing it on to y'all, and yeah, just learn from it. That's really what it is, because you can see the definition right here. It's all on camera. fast forward this part just because it's the same steps as I did on the other side. So, you know, y'all not missing out on nothing. If y'all want to learn the steps, just watch the left side that I did before this. So, you know, it's just the same thing. So for the mustache, same thing, prepare it, comb it out, and just gentle with it, you know. Let the liners work for you. Just barely tapping it, just going on the top with it. I got my clippers upside down, you know, that's what the liners are made for. Alright, now I'm lining it up right below his mustache, above his top lip, you know, getting these hairs off his cheekbone. Everything's important, you know, when it comes to haircutting. It's a craft, it's an art, and it's also detail. So everything matters when it comes to cutting hair. You know, you always want that client to return. You know, that's how you keep making your money. Alright, straight razor time. Remember, stretch that skin. Have the blade diagonal. You know, you don't ever want it to have a flat down. You cut somebody for real. So that's all I'm doing, just having the blade diagonal, stretching the skin, make sure it's tight, and just go with the flow. You know, let the razor work for itself. Follow that line that you did with your liners. Bam, there y'all go. Look how dope this haircut is. Look how fresh it is. That beard, that high ball taper, the overall cut is dope. Look how much it stands out, yo. This is guaranteed money in your pocket, yo. This is how you keep clients coming back, and this is how you charge later on. You know, once you get these tactics down. So learn these tactics, subscribe to this YouTube channel, practice them, and you can see how much definition this haircut has. You know, he's guaranteed going to come back. He already told me after the haircut was done, you know, he said he's going to come back. He gave me a good tip, and this is how you keep your clients, yo. You know, high ball taper. Look at that lineup. Everything is crispy, yo. Such a game changer. This is a before shot of the haircut, yo. So, you know, y'all practice these tactics that I just gave y'all. You know, it's a defined haircut. Look at that, yo. It's a high ball taper with the beard lineup and a beard temple fade. So y'all learned that today. Follow these tactics. Watch it over and over. That's guaranteed money in your pocket and a guaranteed client coming back. That master your craft, yo. Let's get 200 likes. Drop comments. Hit that motherfucking subscribe button, yo.